super hazardous. It's not even funny. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Like I said in the previous video, the next video is going to be me taking the car to the shop, and there's a tow truck. He got here super fast, bro. These tow trucks usually take forever. Easy day for the tow truck driver. I'm driving the car up. She looks pretty sick on the tow truck bed. On the bike side, this time it really doesn't have to be on the tow truck, but for safety reasons it is. Made it to the shop. It looks like the tow truck Brady made it, and he left like 20 minutes before me. I need to hurry up.
Alright guys, we're gonna watch him crash his car or scrape something, or I don't know, bumpers coming off. He's probably cooking in there. Oh, there he goes. He's cooked. You bring your cars here when you're trying to part it out. It's a done deal. And it's gonna, oh, fuck all that. You didn't get to see if the bumper scraped or did it. You didn't get to see shit. Yeah, I was definitely. I was trying to see if I was gonna record when the bumper was gonna scrape, but as soon as it did, I put it to my face.
What do you want it? Shout out Davidson's Towing. Got the Z here, safe and sound. It's funny, so he ended up leaving my house like 25 minutes before me. I didn't think I was gonna catch him at all, and when I pulled up, he had literally just got here like I think like 3 minutes before me. So I was smashing, bro. But yeah, made it to the shop. Now time to fix this thing. So check out what my tuner bought a couple of weeks ago already, right? Or like a month ago?
April 1st.
April 1st. G82 M4 competition. Oh, you took off the XDRIVE?
It didn't have it.
Oh, well, it's even better.
It's an XDRIVE.
Yeah, I know. It already comes with an exhaust, an Android wing, some CSL tail lights. Drive it gray with bucket seats.
Calamari, whatever the fuck.
That's the color. That's what the color's called.
Something orange, calamari, orange color.
So like I said, this is not a regular M4. It is a comp XDRIVE. Already comes with the sick Android wing, full carbon fiber, the tail lights. Also has an exhaust. Damn, it has a. Is that stock, the diffuser? It is, huh?
I don't know if it's stock, but these tail lights are. I don't think they're real M4 CSL lights. I don't know.
They look good though.
I looked them up. I think they're like some aftermarket shits, but whatever.
Damn, Drive It Gray, in my opinion, the best color for these cars. With the laptop already open?
Sorry, making some adjustments.
Oh yeah, so I think he tuned it last night on 85, you said, right?
Oh, that's a few days ago already.
Yeah,
I'm just making sure everything's good. Because I gotta pump it down so I can lean out a little bit.
Ah, damn. Bro, these seats hug you like crazy. No way. Ah, damn. Hell yeah. How much you want for it right now, cash?
$3.99.
Oh, the start's over here. Downpipes already? Sounds pretty good. Damn. Oh, bro, this shit's hard to get out. Never mind.
Quiet it if you want.
Huh?
You can make it quiet. Push that button. The little green one.
This one?
Yeah.
Nah, that's pretty whack. So the car is already on full 85.
I changed the intake manifold. Got 4 injections. Alright. I put the rail, put the motor reflex, everything.
Damn. And he's tuning it himself, guys. So that means he's gonna start tuning BMWs very, very soon. If there's anybody that wants to try it out, I said if there's anybody that wants to try out getting their BMW tuned by this guy, he'll probably offer you a little discount since he's gonna be starting.
Let me blow up the first one. I got you, bro.
Nah, but in all seriousness, He's gonna start tuning these cars very soon. This one's already tuned by him.
Well, just on E, that's it.
That's downpipes though, right? Downpipes, 85, that's it?
But it's just 85. It's not, it's no more, no added boost, no time, nothing. I can't do that because the AC is still on.
Oh yeah, so I think you sent out your ECU, right? But there was like a whole problem with that.
So yeah, sent it out to Femto. They couldn't unlock it, being bitches, so whatever. I got the motor reflex port ejection controller, tuned it on that. Super simple.
So he's actually gonna let me drive it. So we'll get some food right now. First time driving a GAX. Sheesh. I'm gonna do a little first gear with no space.
On your right leg, man. Oh, right here, slow.
Huh?
Your first gear. Oh, damn. That low end is fucking strong, huh? Yeah. I ain't know where fast flowing turbo is. The variables. Go, make. Ah, you a pussy.
Yeah, that's not my car.
Pussy.
Kind of want to launch it before we go back to the shop, but there's really no space.
You could have gone in that lane after this car. That shit goes crazy.
Dude, I don't think I've ever felt that in the driver's seat.
Hey, your neck goes. Like it's hard to hold it up.
Shit. Yeah, I'm like, ah, I'm
I
fighting
did
my
the same shit too. I was like, oh, my neck hurt.
Dang, that's crazy.
Damn, bro, I've never experienced that. I was like literally fighting so hard to keep my neck straight, or like keep it up so I could see the road and the RPM. I just came back to the shop to my car being on the lift. Ended up swapping the white pipe because the flex pipes are completely destroyed. I've been scraping the shit out of them and they're completely gone. So got an extra white pipe, we're swapping it out. And yeah, after that we'll get the whole 85 leak situated, fix the intake, and that's pretty much it. Hit some boost, go home. But yeah guys, what do you guys think about my tuners new M4? I launched this thing, bro. That shit literally hurt my neck because I was literally trying to like keep my face straight to be able to see the road obviously and see when to shift. I've never launched a fast all-wheel drive car before, and damn, I need one in my life, but they're way too expensive. Unless of course this video gets like 1 million views, then I'll buy one. But this thing is sick. Drive it great. Look at the drive it in the freaking sun, bro. This is for sure one of BMW's best colors. This wing alone is like $4,000, I think. Adro. Look at all that 85 is dripping. It's a line that's leaking.
That's more up there. It's more up.
Yeah. Give me some of this baller line, I guess, from his BMW. Sick. Look at how much fuel is leaking. No bueno, bro. Look at how much is leaking. Super hazardous. Not even funny. Thank God I towed it. Alright guys, just started it up, just checking for any leaks, making sure we're good, and then we're pretty much out of here.
Years later.
Hello. No more exhaust leak, boys. Sounds pretty good now. New white pipe, new gaskets. Yeah, it's no more exhaust leak, bro. That shit was sounding clapped. probably looked all like a ricer when I pulled up to this light right now, revving it. Well, we just made it to the 85 station. I gotta put some 85 because I truly do not know how much gas I got because my gas gauge isn't working. The amount of times that we've taken out. Oh, dude, I cannot drive this car. I'm so used to driving the Corolla, bro. That shit literally f***ed me up. That's crazy. Alright guys, I've been driving for about an hour now. Pretty much home already. Gonna hit the gym before I go home though, because even though we've been out all day, we still gotta get that workout in. But before I pull up to the gym, I do want to do a quick little pull, just to make sure the intake is all good and the car's boosting. So try a little 50 roll. Hopefully the traffic opens up a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I just want to hit boost. Damn, I said I wasn't gonna go crazy. I did a full ass pull almost. I missed my exit. I could have made it, bro, but I'm not gonna risk an accident over getting an exit. I'll just go to the next one. But damn, this shit is moving, bro. Still a low boost. This shit buggies, bro. Damn. Let's go. Son. Sheesh. No way this exit is cooked, bro. Alright guys, we made it to the gym safe and sound. But check out this Hellcat that's parked across from me, bro. Fat old tire in the rear, bro. Damn. Wide body with the B-locks. Alright then. Shit's hard, bro. Real clean. Hell yeah. And there's another one over here. I wonder if they're homies or something. Another Hellcat, wide body. Oh, and the tire as well. Oh, fuck. I didn't know fast guys came to this gym. Damn, that's what's up. Little C8. And then my little slow 50Z. Oh, and the Q50. Are those 4-stars? Damn, everybody's outside today. Camaro. Little Camry. Excuse me, miss. How much horsepower are you pushing? Only fast guys park over here, apparently. Damn. Alright, guys, we made it out the gym. I'm fucking beat, bro. I've been out all day. Time to finally go home. Oh man, freaking tired.